Hi, my name is Dickie. I will sharing a special recipe from China called chicken and cashew stir frying. The process of stir frying a traditional Chinese dish, highlighting the key techniques and importance of maintaining the individual flavors and textures of each ingredient. Now I will Linda to do the presentation step by step on the new recipe.
My name is Linda. Today we will be sharing with you the recipe from China chicken and cashew stir fry called Yaogua Chao Jidang is the jewel-like colors, crisp vegetables, and appealing crunch of golden cashews make this dish popular in southern China and Thailand, as well as a feature on menus around the world. This is stir frying at its best, with each ingredient retaining its characteristic flavor and texture while blending into a delicious main course. It discusses the history and evolution of stir frying, its roots in Chinese culinary traditions, and how it has come to symbolize harmony and balance in cooking. Provide examples of famous stir-fried dishes and their significance in Chinese culture. Its cultural significance lies not only in its delicious and quick preparation style, but also in its roots within Chinese culinary traditions, philosophy, and symbolism of balance and harmony. Provide a step-by-step recipe for preparing chicken and cashew stir-fry, including a list of all necessary ingredients with exact measurements and detailed instructions on how to properly cook and combine the ingredients. Include tips on proper techniques, such as marinating the chicken or stir-frying the vegetables, and any variations or substitutions that can be made for dietary preferences. The recipe should be clear, easy to follow, and result in a delicious and flavorful dish. Ingredient list: 2 small chicken breast fillets approximately 400 g. Diced 1 teaspoon chopped fresh ginger, 1 clove garlic. Chopped 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, cup 50 milliliters vegetable or peanut oil, 1 cup 130 g raw cashews, 1 cup 80-100 g small broccoli florets, 1 medium onion, peeled and cut into narrow wedges, 1 red capsicum, diced 1 celery stick, diced 1 medium carrot, diced cup 80 g bamboo shoots, diced optional 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 cup 250 milliliters cold chicken stock or water salt, and white pepper to taste. Once the ingredient list is ready, we can start cooking. One of the key principles of Chinese cuisine is the concept of harmony and balance in cooking. Stir-frying embodies this principle by combining a variety of ingredients, flavors, and textures in a single dish. The balanced combination of meat, vegetables, and seasonings in a stir-fry represents the yin and yang elements of Chinese philosophy, the opposing forces that create harmony when in balance. Cooking start number 1. Season the chicken with the ginger, garlic, sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Number 2. Heat the vegetable oil on high in a wok or large frying pan. Fry the cashews until golden, about 1 minute. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Put 2 tablespoons of the oil and reheat on medium-high. Number 3. Stir-fry the chicken until it changes color, about 2 minutes. Remove and set aside. Add broccoli, onion, capsicum, celery, and carrot. Stir-fry for 3 minutes. Return the chicken and add the bamboo shoots. Stir-fry until just cooked, about 1-2 minutes. And add the bamboo shoots. Stir-fry until just cooked, about 1-2 minutes. Number 4. Mix the corn flour into the stock and pour it with the remaining soy sauce into the wok. Bring to the boil, stirring constantly. Cook until the sauce glazes the ingredients. Add the cashews and salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately. Did you know? Stir frying is one of the quickest and Healthiest ways to cook as it retains nutrients and is fuel efficient. The curved base of the wok distributes the heat quickly and evenly across the entire cooking surface. More uses for traditional ingredients. Cashews add interest and flavor to salads. You can sprinkle chopped, roasted cashews over a healthy salad of broccoli and green beans. Or you can fold golden fried cashews through a warm chicken and spinach salad. Substitutes. You can use blanched almonds or halved macadamia nuts to replace the cashews. Health Watch. The cashews may be cooked in a microwave on high for 3 minutes. To avoid cooking them in oil. Serving suggestions. An attractive way to serve this dish is to mold steamed white rice into a small bowl, then invert the bowl onto a plate, tapping the base to release the rice. Place the stir-fry around the molded rice and serve with chopsticks. Wines and drinks. Try a lightly wooded Chardonnay or a fragrant and refreshing jasmine tea to accompany this dish. Cooking chicken and cashew stir-fry at home is not only delicious but also cost-effective. By using simple and affordable ingredients, you can create a restaurant-quality dish at a fraction of the cost. I have always been a fan of chicken and cashew and love cooking it at home for family and friends. The sizzling sound of the chicken as it cooks in the cast iron pan never fails to make mouth water and set the stage for a fantastic meal. And you can start an online business just by cooking at your home. Enjoy learning and cooking at home. My mentor Dickie will be teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved. And do it at your home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For more information, contact Dickie at dickirelim@gmail.com. Website https://closefunnel.com.